Assalamualaikum dear students, and welcome to the class of English Advance. Please open your lesson number 1, Getting to Know You. As you can see, there are lots of pictorial exercises on the page. Students, this way we will be learning how to make and generate sentences, right? You can see there are lots of kids and they are doing something, okay? And the question is, the children are at English club. What are they doing? So what are they doing? You can see they have mentioned the names of children as well. Mary, Binu, Cherry, Betty, Charlie, Tom, Candy, Sally and Ben. They are all doing something. So visualize it and think about it. What are they doing? Rather, they have also given you some clues on the same page to be followed them, and they have also given you to the pattern you are going to follow. Like Mary is surfing the internet. Can you see Mary? Where is she? Mary is here. Yes, she is surfing the internet. Peter and Tom are reading comics. Where is Peter and Tom? Yes, they are reading comics. As you can see, it's a smile on the Peter's face. So we are going to follow this pattern to make our sentences. Okay, writing stories. So who is writing stories here? Can you see? Ben and Sally are writing stories. Okay. 2 is reading comics. Who is reading comics? Peter and Tom are reading comics. 3rd is watching cartoons. So look at the pictures. Who is watching cartoons? Who is watching cartoons? Binu and Betty are watching cartoons. Then 4th is playing computer games. Who is playing computer games? Charlie is playing computer games. Surfing the internet. And who is surfing the internet? Mary is surfing the internet. See? Mary is surfing the internet. And the last is listening to music. Who is listening to music? Cherry is listening to music. So what did you learn from this activity? What did we learn? We learned to make sentences. And we learn to use our visual power with our cognitive powers. We learn how to make sentences while looking at something, right? Turn the pages, students. Here is activity. They said Mary meets a new neighbor, Candy. Students, this is the, you can say, this is the conversation between two friends, two newly made friends. And this is how we are going to learn how to conversate with strangers. Like, this is Candy and this is Mary. They both are meeting with each other for the first time and they are conversating. This is how they are talking about. Hello, my name's Candy. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Candy. My name is Mary. I live in block 28. Where do you live? I live in block 26. How do you go to school? I go to school by car. And how do you go to school? I go to school by school bus. Then they conversate further. How many brothers and sisters have you got? I haven't got brother or a sister. How many brothers and sisters have you got? I have got one brother. And on the next page, the conversation is proceeding. What do you like doing? I like playing the recorder. And I like surfing the internet. What do you like doing? Students, Mary is asking to, what is her name? Candy is asking to Mary. what are you doing? What do you like doing? She said, I like surfing the internet. And now what do you like doing? And she answered, I like playing the recorder. Students, you see, in our daily life, in our routine life, in your classrooms, in your during your staying in your buildings, you interacted to meet strangers. So they are letting you know this is the way you are learning how to talk on different things with strangers. This is the way to learn to conversate with strangers or with friends. So the activity is, what is Candy telling her mother about Mary? Finish their conversation. Now, at first they conversate with each other. There was conversation between two people. Now the task for you to do is that you are going to tell what Candy is telling her mother about Mary. Now the conversation is being informed to the third party, which is Candy's mother. So this is how they are introducing it. Candy, I met a new neighbor today, Mom. Her name's Mary. Mom, where does Mary live? Candy, she lives in block 26. Now this is all conversation, all information that Candy has taken from Mary. Okay. So mom is asking, how does she go to school? And Candy responds, she goes to school by car. Mom says, how many brothers and sisters has she got? And the answer is what you have just read on the last page. So you are going to fill this information by yourself. This is your, you can say, listening challenge, this listening activity. I have read all the conversation in front of you. Now this is your part to solve this, whatever you have just listened. Okay? Turn the pages, students. See, they said, listen and read Candy's first day. It is Candy's first day at her new school. She makes a new friend. Oh, hello, what's your name? My name's Binu. What's your name? My name is Candy. This is again a new conversation, okay? But the activity at the end of this conversation is different than that, okay? So listen it attentively. I come to school by school bus. How do you come to school, Binu? I come to school by spaceship. Who is saying this? Binu is saying this. Then Candy likes PE lessons. She likes playing games with her new friends. This is great. Then Candy and Binu likes computer lessons. I like surfing the internet. Who said so? Binu said so. And me too. Who said so? Candy said so. Okay, come to the next page. Candy goes home after school. What do you like about school? I like PE and computer lessons. They are fun. Who is asking the question? Mom is asking the question. Next, what else do you like? I like making new friends in the break. So, this is what you have learned and listened about Candy and Binu. What do they like and what do they do during their school activities? So the activity that you are going to be asked or do is, are these sentences about the story true or false? Put right or false. Okay, so without looking at the solved exercises, I will prefer you to solve it yourself. Candy meets a new friend. His name is Binu. Is that right or wrong? What you just have listened. Then Candy likes surfing the internet in computer lessons. Is that right or wrong? Candy's favorite lessons are math and music. Is that right or wrong? What you have just heard. And the last is Candy does not make any friend in the break. I'm not going to fill them for you. You should, when I was reading the sentences, you should have filled right at that moment. This is your listening test. And in the last but not the least, students, Binu is introducing Candy to Charlie. So this is same activity as in your previous page. You see, when Candy was telling her mother about Mary, so this is Beenu is introducing Candy to Charlie. Like, Charlie, hello Beenu. Beenu, hello Charlie. This is my new friend Candy. Charlie, hello Candy. Nice to meet you. Candy, nice to meet you too, Charlie. Now your activity is introduce your friends to Beenu. So XYZ, any name friend you are having. So what you are doing? You are going to write the conversation like this. Okay, you are going to introduce your friend. For example, Rital is your friend. You are going to introduce Rital to Charlie. Okay, so this is, you are going to write the conversation between three of you. This is all about